Yo stud, what's up? So today we're going to be making some zipper boxes. You can find the sewing pattern on my Etsy page, link in the description below. You can also check out my other sewing patterns on there as well in my Etsy store. As shown, with the purchase you're also going to get a summary page that will tell you all the sewing pattern pieces needed for this design as shown on the screen right now, and also the materials needed. This design is also quite kinky. It's kind of like gives a rubber lycra vibe with a zip, you know. If you know, you know. So that's quite good. We're gonna start by sewing together the back panel to the side panel to the front panel. So there should be two sets of them. One set's all sewn together. You want to sew the gusset to it as well, and cut off the excess. It should be shown on the summary page. Start from the side where the zip is going to be, and then cut off the excess on the side. So we're going to so this part here, the line is a stitch and the triangle is the zipper head. Really understand like that picture is so crucial. I'm going to use a 80 centimeter zipper. We're going to sew an invisible zipper starting from the top when it's unzipped. So basically the design needs it so that the zipper head is, when it's closed, is on the front crotch side at the top, zipped up. Yeah, the zipper head should be in the front when it's zipped up. I don't really know how to explain how to do a zipper foot. I pretty much learned it on TikTok, so I highly recommend TikTok for that. And also the zipper, the way I'm sewing the zipper right now is kind of wrong. Like the picture I was showing before is how you're supposed to do it. So there should be a little bit overflow on each side, the front and back side, so that the zipper head doesn't fly off. And then what you need to do is just sew that shut, the excess shut, so it doesn't fly off. And don't do it here. Don't cut it off. Sew it together somehow. Yeah, don't do that, just sew it together. Yeah, okay. So what? The zipper head doesn't fly off when you close it. Do not cut the excess. I repeat, do not cut the excess. Sew it first and make sure it's not like a huge amount. This is a waistband tutorial. Really read that. So basically, cut out a rectangle, measure the top edge of the garment first, and then you cut out a rectangle of that length plus a little bit centimeters. It's already shown in the summary page, and then sew it together on the side, and then flip it, and then fold in half, and then sew it around the perimeter of the thing, the garment. Yep. And then leave a little hole so you can put feed the elastic through like so. And then once the elastic has been fed through entirely, you're going to want to sew the elastic together. Make sure there's no twist in the elastic before you do that. And then you just tuck the elastic back into the waistband and then shut the hole by sewing. And it should look something like this once it's done. It's quite shiny. Make sure you try to use a shiny one. It's a nice vibe. Yeah. And then that's how it zips from the front, and it goes all the way to the back side as well, like so. So it's quite cool and fun for interesting activities. Yes. Anyway, that's it. Check out my other stuff on my Etsy page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want. Later, stud.